All right, go ahead and swear the witness whenever you're ready.
Would you raise your right hand, please, ma'am? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you, ma'am.
Teri, for the sake of formality, I'm going to ask you to say your name, please.
Teri Powell.
Teri, you brought this case against CUNA Mutual Insurance Company that's denied your claim for payments. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And they are continuing today, and today's date is December 8th, 2006. Today, they're still denying your benefits, is that correct?
Correct.
Teri, why do you feel, let's just start with here today at this moment, that you're not able to work and support yourself?
Well, basically, I've been told I shouldn't be working by 4 doctors.
And Teri, do you have cancer?
I do have cancer. I have stage 4 of reoccurrence of appendicinal cancer. And right now I'm experiencing tumors in my abdominal lining and swelling.
Are you dealing with hospice care?
Hospice visited me yesterday, and I'm getting connected with them and looking to what is ahead to be prepared.
How does the cancer affect you for day to day?
Well, I am living in the moment, and in a way that is a gift because I appreciate many things, but I am very exhausted. And I'm trying to keep a balance where I can be focused and enjoy life, but at the same time, I realize the serious condition that I have.
Does it affect your sleep?
Oh, I can't, I have a very hard time getting comfortable. And now sometimes the monkey mind comes in and I worry about things, but I really try to control that.
Have you been having trouble sleeping just in the last week?
I've had significant trouble, and I've even tried to take a sleeping pill, but that didn't help.
Have you had anemia?
I've had anemia. I think I have it now. I'm going to get my blood tested in the next few days. I had an infusion in October, and that kind of perked me up a little bit because I had severe anemia.
You need blood transfusion?
Transfusion.
Do you have, how does it affect how you feel?
I feel full. I feel nauseated, and I have cramps. They're kind of like menstrual cramps, but I'm postmenopausal. And a side ache, and sometimes it feels like I'm going to have appendicitis again.
Why is it that you feel full, you know?
Because of the fluid in my abdominal lining, and the tumors have grown. And I had a CAT scan a week ago, and I have a predominant tumor pressing on my bladder.
Does it sometimes, do you sometimes struggle with depression?
Of course, it's, I mean, I try to keep a positive outlook, but I do worry about things.
How does it affect you, or how has it affected you, that you had to struggle with this insurance claim, such as even being here to give testimony for you?
I always want to feel like I'm being treated fairly, and I feel like they have little or no concern for my well-being, and I continue to pay a policy.
You continue to pay the premiums even today?
Yes, even today. And I'm still trying to figure out what is their definition of disabled.
How much premiums do you pay this company each month?
About $107, about 30% of my home equity payment goes towards insurance.
And then do you also have a life insurance policy with this same company?
Yes.
And how much is that premium?
I think that's about 37.
much is your house payment?
It's about roughly 270.
So on top of that 270, you're paying another $140-some a month to this insurance company?
That's correct.
Have you had any second thoughts about even going through with this challenge, this lawsuit?
Definitely. I was reluctant to do it because of the energy and what it's going to, I need to focus on myself and take care of my home and just have positive thoughts. And the disability process is a negative one. But when I realized, when I looked at my contract, and then I looked at a letter that he had sent to me through my attorney, redefining supposedly what the disability was, the contract is not the same. And then I thought, I'm screwed. Something is unfair here. And if they're doing this to me, they must be doing this to a lot of people, maybe people that are worse off than me. And even though it takes a lot of energy to go through this process, I feel I can benefit people and make people aware that they might be taken advantage or other people are being abused. This is my chance to do something about it.
What is it that you want out of this lawsuit?
I want to be treated fairly, but I also want to know that other people are not going to be abused like I am being abused. And I want this company to come clean and treat their clients with respect.
If anybody at the insurance company is listening to this or watching this tape, is there anything that you want to ask them?
I guess I want to say, how sick do I have to be disabled under CUNA?
That's all the questions I have. Thank you, Teri.
Okay.